Okay, good morning from New Zealand. Name here is Jason. My call sign is ZL2 Foxtrot Tango. Just doing an updated video of my shack. It's been a while since I've changed the videos and things have changed. It is September the 21st, 2008. So let's have a quick rundown of the shack now as it is, because it has changed since my last lot of videos. The equipment I now run, the main rigs are Icons, the IC756 Pro 2s. Got a couple of those. One's on a inverted V for 20 meters and 40 meters, so you can do 20, 40 and 15. I also have a vertical up, an old Station Master CB vertical, and that is used on 24 megs, the 12 meter band. I've slightly lengthened it, as well as 30 meters. It actually does a fairly good job on 30 meters. And I also have a 30 meter dipole that's only up about 16 feet, tuned for around 10 decimal 140 for the PSK frequency on the 30 meter band. So you might hear us on 30 meters around 0300 to 0600 UTC, working into Europe and North America. So if you haven't tried 30 meters PSK, give it a go. Anyway, I'll just give you a quick rundown of what we've got here in the shack. So I'll just get behind the camera and we'll see. I'll just zoom up on the bits and pieces we've got. Right, okay. As you can see, I've got the two radios at the top, two Icons. First one there, the main one I use is this one here, this Pro 2. And as you see, I'm sitting on 14230 at the moment, the SSTV frequency on 20 meters, and that's hooked up to the inverted V, inverted L, and that's on the Pro 2. The camera's going to zoom in. So we haven't got too bad a noise level here at the moment on 20 meters. And also got the Heil PR40 microphone from Bob Heil there in the States, and the also connected up to the boom for the PR40. I find the PR40 is quite a nice microphone. Over here is the other Yaesu on the 12 meter band at the moment, so usually active around 24955, and that's on that that vertical, which is only up about 20 feet at the base of the vertical. And I just use the 100 watts there. Here's the computer I use. There's a compact Presario. Had it for a couple of years. It seems to do the job fine. Below that is the old camera I used to use. The camera's, this one's going to zoom in on it. But it's a Kodak EasyShare 3.1 megapixel. So that's the one I used to do my old videos on, just a basic still video, well, still camera. And there's the ZL2FT 7800R, which I use for a VHF aircraft, just on a little tiny stainless steel whip on top of the house roof. And that does a really good job for VHF aircraft. Great receiver in it, and very sensitive. And I really am impressed with the FT7800R from Yaesu there. So that's Wellington there, 1193, and 1237's basically up and down the east or west coast of the North Island between New Plymouth and Wellington. Quite an active frequency. Next to that, scanning various frequencies on VHF or UHF, is another Yaesu, the FT8800R dual bander. So I can use dual modes on that one there. That seems to be quite a nice radio as well. Yeah, just put the night mode on. That's kind of brought up the radio a bit better. So I really like that little rig. It's not a bad one. Not as sensitive in some ways as the other Yaesu, the 7800R. I find that's a bit more sensitive on aircraft, etc. It's going to zoom in there. So as I say, you might hear us around, and I've got to update the picture on QRZ.com sometime when I can get in there and do that in details, and change the details of the shack that are now the two F756 Pro 2s. And there's the monitor I use, the Samsung 40-inch LCD. I find the LCD does quite a good job, and that's what I use for my SSTV, etc. Right next to the shack there. Got to have the comfortable chair as well. And there's the messy wires under the desk, like every ham has generally, a mess of cables and wires. Also still got the Heil PR headset Pro Plus, and that does quite a good job as well. But I use that on the 12 meter band, the higher bands. But just using the PR40 at the moment on the main rig. Okay, that's just a quick update video. It's got this new video camera, so hopefully the images will be a bit better in the near future. So 7-3s and all the best for now from Jason, ZL2 Fox Tango, and Wanganui, New Zealand. All the best, and hope to catch you again.